Hi everyone, today we are going to show you in this short video how one of our affiliated locksmiths is going to do the coding procedure for a Ford key fob on site. This is how it's actually done in case you lost all your keys or just want to have a spare set. This is a necessary procedure that requires a special machine for all Ford key fobs and transponder keys. If you have any questions, please comment below and we'll answer. Thanks for watching.
Hello everybody, we're currently programming a new key for a 2017 Ford Explorer. We are resetting the car, erasing all the fobs, and in turn we have to program two keys. So we lift up the armrest and slide the key right there into the slot. You just drop it right in there, and that's where the programming slot is. And also if you lose if your battery dies in a fob and the car won't start because it doesn't detect the key, you drop it in there. So we're going to clear the keys. Right now it's going to erase the old keys off the system. Current number is 0. It's telling you to drop the key in the armrest box, which we did. Hopefully it's going to detect. There we go. That's the first key. Do we want to learn another one? Yes, we have to, because once you erase all the keys on a Ford, you have to program two keys. So we're going to put it head down, right down there in the slot. And insert the other one, and we'll wait for the beep, for the click. There we go. Two keys learned. That's it. We're going to remove the key from the slot. We're going to hit no, and we're going to attempt to put our foot on the brake and start the car. That's it. 2017 Ford Explorer. Thanks for watching, guys.